Everybody, this is Bob Iacchino along with Mike Arnold. Quick equity path chat for the afternoon of January 31st. Apple released a very strong Q1 of 2017. Revenue of $78.4 billion. That's plus 3.3 year over year. EPS of 336. Market expecting 328. Operating cash flow, $27 billion. Share repurchases and dividends, $15 billion. Very, very strong number, 51.5 to 53.5 billion revenue projections for Q2. So we'll talk about this a lot in the podcast, I'm sure, Money Path Podcast, which you can find on iTunes or at pathtradingpartners.com. But I'm going to turn it over to Mike to give you an update of what he's seeing on the chart. Right now, after hours, the stock is up just over 3%. Apple's trading up over 3% in after hours.
Okay, thanks, Bob. All right, I have Apple up. This is a weekly Apple chart. It's in my Motive Wave software here. So we've come off a rotation zone. We've broken out above key resistance. The next target up, which we've already passed after hours, was around this 124.50 level, and we're already above that. The next major target up here is around the 132.50 mark. What's interesting is for any Elliott Wave fans out there, I did both an ABC and which is a correction, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse wave count, and both of them put it right around the 133.30 mark. They both come in very similar. You can see them right here. That whether you do ABC or 1, 2, 3, they're both coming in about the same area right about here, which I'm just calling right around the prior major highs and right above my other major significant level. So longer term, that's what we'll be watching for, Apple to target the 132.50 mark, but don't expect it to go there in a straight line. We will see some kind of rotations, especially with this kind of price action. I wouldn't be, if we continued higher tomorrow, would not be surprised to see it move up and then possibly pull back down and treat this blue line, this 124.50 mark, as some kind of eventual support with the rising 8-week exponential moving average coming into play at that point. So that's longer term projections for Apple. Definitely it's been in buy mode and it's continued to probably run higher into those levels we just reviewed. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks, Mike. Apple is a huge portion of the Dow. So when Apple moves big, it drags the Dow up with it because it just adds quite a bit of weight to the point change in the Dow. So keep that in mind when you're watching this tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Join us for the next Path Chat, I'm sure, tomorrow. Cheers, everybody.